Lesson 138. Bite, bit, bitten. What am I doing?
You're biting your finger.
What are the three forms of bite?
The three forms of bite are bite, bit, bitten.
Bare, weapon, barely. Are my hands covered?
No, your hands aren't covered, they're bare.
Is it possible to kill a man with one's bare hands, that is, without using a weapon of any kind?
Yes, it's possible to kill a man with one's bare hands, that is, without using a weapon of any kind.
When you go on holiday, do you take a lot of clothes with you or just the bare minimum?
When I go on holiday, I take just the bare minimum.
What do we mean when we say we barely had time to eat?
When we say we barely had time to eat, we mean we only just had time to eat.
Go back, come back, go in, come in, return, enter, descend, overcome, go down, come down. What's the difficulty with the words go back and come back and go in and come in?
The difficulty with the words go back and go in and come in is that the correct choice of verb depends mainly on where the speaker is at the time.
What's one way to overcome the problem?
One way to overcome the problem is by using return instead of go back or come back, and enter instead of go in or come in.
What word can we use instead of go down or come down?
We can use the word descend instead of go down or come down.
Case, barrister. What do we call the type of lawyer who fights cases in a law court?
We call the type of lawyer who fights cases in a law court a barrister.
Just in case. Risk. Run a risk. What does the expression in case mean?
The expression in case means in preparation for the possibility that.
Give me an example, please.
I left home early in case there were any transport problems.
Do you carry an umbrella in case it rains, or are you the kind of person who prefers to run the risk of it raining?
I carry an umbrella in case it rains.
Give me an example of just in case used at the end of a sentence, please.
I was sure there was enough petrol in the car, but I put in some more just in case.
Give me an example of the expression in case of, please.
In case of any problems, please contact me immediately.
Excuse, excuse. What's the difference between excuse and excuse?
The difference between excuse and excuse is that excuse is the verb, whilst excuse is the noun.
Waist, waistcoat. What part of the body is this?
That part of the body is the waist.
What does a three-piece suit consist of?
A three-piece suit consists of trousers, a jacket, and a waistcoat.
Fancy. What does somebody mean if they say that they don't like fancy food?
If somebody says that they don't like fancy food, they mean that they don't like complicated food, they prefer simple food.
What do you fancy for your dinner this evening? That is, what did you like to have?
I fancy pasta for my dinner this evening.
Tell me the name of somebody famous who you fancy.
I fancy Johnny Depp.
Pint, gallon, litre. 0.5683 litres equals 1 pint. 8 pints equal 1 gallon. How many litres make a pint?
0.5683 litres make a pint.
How many pints make a gallon?
8 pints make a gallon.
jealous, jealousy, go out with. If somebody you fancied started going out with a friend of yours, would you feel jealous or would you just be happy for your friend?
If somebody I fancied started going out with a friend of mine, I'd feel jealous.
What's the noun of the adjective jealous?
The noun of the adjective jealous is jealousy.
Fortune, fortunate, international. Do top international sportsmen earn a fortune?
Yes, top international sportsmen earn a fortune.
What's another meaning of the word fortune?
Another meaning of the word fortune is luck.
If you were fortunate enough to win 5 million in the lottery, how much of it would you give to the other members of your family?
If I were fortunate enough to win 5 million in the lottery, I would give half of it to the other members of my family.
Mine, miner. What do we call a man who works in a mine?
We call a man who works in a mine a miner.
Tend. Do you tend to eat too much when you go on holiday?
No, I don't tend to eat too much when I go on holiday.
Content, content. What's the difference between the words content and content?
The difference between the words content and content is that content is a noun, whereas content is a verb or adjective.
Is it normal for passengers to have the contents of their bags checked at airports?
Yes, it's normal for passengers to have the contents of their bags checked at airports.
Are you content with your life at the moment?
Yes, I'm content with my life at the moment.
Witness. Have you ever witnessed an accident or a crime?
Yes, I've witnessed an accident and a crime.
Idiom 39. In a nutshell equals briefly, in a few words. What does the idiom in a nutshell mean?
The idiom in a nutshell means briefly, in a few words.
Give me an example, please.
To put it in a nutshell, the answer is no.